Hello loves, and welcome to another episode of Crafting with Bree. I have an easy DIY that is fun for you and the kids to do together, and basically it's with these Easter eggs. Now I know most of you are familiar with these DIY Easter eggs that you can purchase at any craft store or even at Walmart. These came from Walmart. They were $1.98 for 12 eggs, and inside you have the dozen of eggs, and then you have some dye that you can share with your kids to do a DIY project by dyeing these eggs. And the project that I'm going to share with you today is something pretty simple, but it is gorgeous once you use it in a grouping, in a bowl or what have you. And basically what I've done is I took a dozen of these eggs and I used written religious words or Easter words on them. So all you need is some of these eggs, marker, and a pencil. Simple, not that much buy for this project. And this is what I came up with. We have these eggs with all kinds of words on them, religion words. We have risen on here, and then we have grace, we have blessed, eternal, peace, and so on. And then you can have words for Easter, like the word Easter, bunny, basket, that kind of thing, parade, things like that that you can write on your eggs. And then you're going to go over this with a black marker, like I've done this one. And then once the marker is dry, you're going to go back over it and just erase the pencil marks. And you can use this in any kind of decorating that you want to do around your home. You can put them in a bowl, in a basket, make it out of a wreath, what have you. But it's such a simple thing that can create some beautiful decorating ideas from, and I just love this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish up about one more dozen of these eggs, and then I'm going to show you how I'm decorating in my home with them. Okay guys, I am done tracing the pencils with the black marker and everything looks just gorgeous. But the last thing you want to do now is take your egg and a gum eraser and go through each of your eggs and make sure that you don't see any pencil marks. But if you do, just lightly erase the pencil marks away. Now the gum eraser seems like it works the best and keep from smearing the marker on the white egg, because you want to keep this as clear and sharp as possible, and it looks gorgeous when it's nice and clean away with no pencil marks under there. So now I'm going to decorate with these, but you can use this in any of your Easter or spring decor, in a glass bowl, in a floral arrangement, on a wreath. So many possibilities that you can use these gorgeous little eggs, and they just add that special little touch to any Easter and spring decorating in your home. So I'm going to decorate with these eggs and show you one of the decorating ideas that I'll be using in my home. So stay tuned.